Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, dear students around the world. Welcome to your new channel of English YouTube classes, English Pronunciation Course, Lesson 17. Pronunciation practice. Practice your pronunciation. Enjoy pronouncing words. Let's enjoy pronouncing words together. Let's have fun. By the end of this pronunciation lesson 17, you will have practiced and focused mainly on the pronunciation of the phonetic sound I. I. The sound I is generally present in words that have I plus Z or Z plus E. Why I chose this to put it in a lesson? Because we have many words in English that ends in I, Z, E. And the students, they find it difficult to pronounce. So let's practice some words. And I should say to you that in this lesson we have words that are very long, not like the previous lessons in which we had just small and 3, 4, 5 letters words. In this lesson we have words of 9 letters, 10 letters. But we are going to attempt to pronounce them well. Let's see the first words. The first word, agonize. Agonize. The second word, very easy, prize. Prize. Let's repeat after me the first word, agonize. Agonize. The second word, prize. Prize. Let's go to the second slide. The second slide is very easy. We have the word size. Size. And the second word, upsize. Upsize. Let's repeat after me. Size. Size. Upsize. Upsize. Let's go to the next slide. So the first word is baptize. Baptize. The second word, civilize. Civilize. Let's repeat after me. Baptize. Baptize. Civilize. Civilize. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is idolize. 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 The second word is stylize. Stylize. Let's repeat after me. Idolize. Idolize. Second word, stylize. Stylize. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is categorize. Categorize. The second word, computerize. Computerize. Let's repeat after me. Categorize. Categorize. The second word, computerize. Computerize. Let's go to the next slide. Realize. Realize. The second word, utilize. Utilize. Let's repeat after me. Realize. Realize. The second word, utilize. Utilize. Let's go to the next slide. Colonize. Colonize. The second word, criticize. Criticize. Let's repeat after me the first word, colonize. Colonize. The second word, criticize. Criticize. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is humanize. Humanize. The second word, sanitize. Sanitize. Let's repeat after me the first word, humanize. Humanize. The second word, sanitize. Sanitize. Let's go to the next slide. Energize, energize. The second word, memorize, memorize. Let's repeat after me the first word, energize, energize. The second word, memorize, memorize. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is fossilize, fossilize. The second word, virtualize, virtualize. Let's repeat after me. These words are difficult, but we are going to try to pronounce them well. Fossilize, fossilize. And the second word, virtualize, virtualize. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is equalize, equalize. The second word, legalize, legalize. Let's repeat after me. Equalize, equalize. The second word, legalize, legalize. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is immunize, immunize. The second word, vaporize, vaporize. Let's repeat after me. Immunize, immunize. The second word, vaporize, vaporize. Sorry, vaporize, vaporize. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is finalize, finalize. The second word, socialize, socialize. Let's repeat after me. Finalize, finalize. The second word, socialize, socialize. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is symbolize, symbolize, symbolize. The second word, visualize, visualize. Let's repeat after me the first word, symbolize, symbolize. The second word, visualize, visualize. Let's continue. The first word is formalize, formalize. The second word, moralize, moralize. Let's repeat after me the first word, formalize, formalize. The second word, moralize, moralize. Let's go to the next. The first word is naturalize, naturalize. The second word, neutralize, neutralize. Let's repeat after me the first verb, naturalize, naturalize. The second word, neutralize, neutralize. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is localize, localize. The second word, mesmerize, mesmerize. Let's repeat after me the first word, localize, localize. The second word, mesmerize, mesmerize. Let's continue. The first word is mobilize, mobilize. The second word, valorize, valorize. Let's repeat after me the first verb, the first word, mobilize, mobilize. The second word, valorize, valorize. Let's go to the next slide. The first word is minimize, minimize. The second word, maximize, maximize. Let's repeat after me the first word, minimize, minimize. The second word, maximize, maximize. Let's go to the last slide. The first word is organize, organize. The second word, optimize, optimize. Let's repeat after me the first word, organize, organize. The second word, optimize, optimize. That's the end of this pronunciation lesson 17. Until then, see you soon in lesson 18 on House School Hassane HSH and House College Hassane HCH. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like if you like the content, if you like the video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel up to now, please do subscribe to help us continue giving and delivering lessons on YouTube, and activate the bell to get new videos. And please share this video with your family, friends, and the people you know. Thank you so much. Goodbye.